Hello, and welcome to How to Start Up Your Founder Series Wood Pellet Grill and Smoker by Louisiana Grills. First, you will want to fill your Louisiana Grill hopper with pellets. Next, connect to a power source and plug in your Louisiana Grill. After you have plugged in your grill, flip the power switch under your Founder Series control board to the on position. Next, flip down your Founder Series control board cover to look for the power icon on your control board. This should be on the left-hand side of the oval control board. Press once and the rest of your control board will light up. If this is the first time starting your Founder Series unit, we advise you perform a burn-off. This helps remove the factory residue from the internal cooking components of your Louisiana Grill. Since you have already filled up your hopper, simply turn up your Louisiana Grill to 350 degrees and let it go for a half an hour. Post burn-off, you are ready to prepare the backyard culinary masterpieces of your choosing. For more information, visit louisiana-grills.com.